Go on, Redemption. Shovel that snow. Get your
Turn
car
this
out.
way.
Your car is snowed in. Get it out.
No.
Want to get it out? That a girl. You're digging out of all that snow, huh? Look at her. She's digging her car out of all that snow. She's snowed in.
It's stuck, Mama. It's stuck.
Can you get under those tires so you'll be able to work your way out?
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, you got it? You using your frozen shovel? Such a cool shovel. You got it? Okay, now scoop it out. You got it? Now toss it over.
I got it.
Good girl. Okay, let's head on out. Let's get in the real truck. Let's get in the big truck, Mommy's truck, okay?
No, give Mama to Mom to rain top.
Come on, you can finish shoveling later, okay? No, sweetheart, you'll get all wet. Your car's still all snowed in.
Mommy, I'll drive snow.
You have to drive later. You can't drive in that snow.